Rickets and osteomalacia are disorders both caused by vitamin D deficiency. We can usually get vitamin D in food like fish, cheese, and egg yolks. It is also naturally made in our body and gets active when exposed to sunlight. That's why it is called as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is needed for the metabolism of calcium and phosphorus in the body, which in turn affects how calcium is deposited in the bones. When a person didn't get enough calcium in his or her body, the bones won't be fully developed and become soft and weak.
Bone pain in the arms, legs, spine, especially the hips. Muscle weakness, waddling gait, unexplained bone fractures or deformities, painful spasms or cramps in the face, hands and feet due to low levels of calcium in the blood. In rickets, bowed limbs, especially the legs, fat belly, waddling gait, disturbed growth, abnormal heart rhythms, numbness of arms, legs, and around the mouth, spasms of hands or feet, widespread bone pain, especially in the hips, skeletal and/or skull deformities, pigeon chest, impaired growth resulting in short stature, dental deformities, delayed tooth formation, teeth defects, increased cavities, sleeping problems, poor muscle development and tone, delayed walking in children.
Oral supplements of vitamin D are given, sometimes in conjunction with calcium. For osteomalacia due to intestinal malabsorption, oral vitamin D or vitamin D injections may be needed. Calcium supplements may also be beneficial. Osteomalacia due to chronic renal failure requires correction of the acidosis. Disorders leading to low blood phosphorus are treated with large doses of oral phosphate supplements plus vitamin D metabolites. Skeletal deformities may be corrected surgically. Regular blood tests may be ordered to monitor blood levels of phosphorus and calcium in individuals with certain underlying medical conditions.
A person who is diagnosed with rickets or osteomalacia usually has bowed or curved legs that cause them not to walk or even stand properly, odd-shaped ribs, large abdomen, wide joints at elbows, ribs, and ankles, and has a soft spot on the head. Because rickets and osteomalacia are caused by vitamin D deficiency, there's no other prevention but a dietary intake of vitamin D fortified foods and adequate exposure to sunlight.